Hi! In front of me is HAFURY GT20 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Now click on this little icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and click on your photos that you wish to add. You can also select Gallery section, click on your photos over here or tap on Folders and hold the chosen one. In this case, you need to tap on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!